templates will allow you to save the signers and the fields that are associated with those signers inside the document. Usually when you send a document for signature, it just goes out once, and then you have to reassign all the fields and type in all the signers again. Now for something that happens over and over again, I would highly recommend using templates. In order to create a template, go to Documents in the top left corner and find the document that you would like to make a template. Click on Prepare to Sign. Here you'll type in all the recipients that will be used over and over again. And for the ones that are variable, like your client, you will never know their name or email address until you actually have to send this to them. So just type in something like client@email.com, and then you can also assign signer order, which will also be saved as part of the template, and you can type in the template name, so to speak. Then click on Prepare Signatures. Once you do that, you'll be able to select the signers and associate the text box as signatures and anything else that you need for your document. So for the sake of time, I'm just going to drop these two text boxes here, and obviously in your case it could be much more than that. And then we can click on Save to Templates on the top left corner. Now all these fields will be saved with our signers. So now click on Save to Templates, then click on Templates on the top left corner, and then find the template that you just saved. Now when you click on Invite to Sign inside the template or next to it, you'll be able to see all the signers that we just populated there, and they'll be right there. So now I actually know the name of my client and his email address. And then now I can actually type in the name of this document that he will receive as part of the signing process. And then click on Prepare Signatures. And as you see here, our two text boxes that we've created here are saved. So we do not have to drag and drop the text boxes again. Now imagine if you have 50 or 100 of these different controls inside the document. They'll all be saved, and you'll be able to save hours or even days of work. And this concludes how you can use templates inside Zapendo.